Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another day of Sounds and Words with me, Miss Hall, and Franny Fox. Hi, friends. I am so glad to join you again. I'm so glad you're joining us all, too. Let's get started with our learning target. Ready? I can identify specific sounds in words. Our first activity is working with rhyming words. I am going to say a make-believe word that rhymes with a type of food. Your job is to try to think of the real food that rhymes with my make-believe word. Let's give that a try. Say bapple. What's a real word that rhymes with bapple? Apple. Yes, apple. Say mookie. What's a real word that rhymes with mookie? Cookie. Yes, cookie. Say voast. What's a real word that rhymes with voast? Toast. Yes, toast. Say nupcake. What's a real word that rhymes with nupcake? Cupcake! I love cupcakes! Oh, I love cupcakes too, especially chocolate ones. Great job coming up with rhyming words, everyone. For our next activity, we are going to work on identifying the first sound we hear in words. I'm going to say two words. You're going to say the sound that those two words start with. Get ready. Say pen, put. What's the first sound? P. Yes, P. Say we win. What's the first sound? Ooh. Yes. Ooh. Say real, read. What's the first sound? Yes. Say quick, quiet. What's the first sound? Qu. Yes. Qu. Say talk, time. What's the first sound? Ch. Yes. T. Great job identifying the first sound you hear in words. Now I am going to get my choppers out. I am going to chop or clap for each syllable or chunk in a word. You are going to copy what I do, and then when I go like this, we'll say what the word is. Let's give it a try. Say insect. Insect. Say garbage. Garbage. Say hungry. Hungry. Say monkey. Monkey. Say garden. Garden. Great job. For our next activity, we are going to identify the final or last sound that we hear in words. Let's get started. Say miss. What's the final sound in miss? S. Yes. S. Say wet. What's the final sound in wet? T. Yes. T. Say dove. What's the last sound in dove? Yes. Say box. What's the last sound in box? X. Yes. X is the final sound in box. Let's try one more. Say buzz. What's the final sound in buzz? Zzz. Yes. Zzz is the final sound in buzz. Great job identifying the final sound in a word. Now you are going to get your choppers out. I am going to say a word. You are going to chop the two syllables or chunk in the word, and then I'll say it. Ready, Say famous. Now say the two chunks in famous. Famous. Good job. Say fever. Now say the two chunks in fever. Fever. Good job. Say obey. Now say the two chunks in obey. Obey. Great job. Say paper. Now say the two chunks in paper. Paper. Good job. Let's try one more. Say tiger. Now say the two chunks in tiger. Tiger. Great job breaking words down into their syllables or chunks. Now, I am going to start with a word. We are going to change the first syllable to a different syllable and say what our new word is. Ready? Say cleanest. Change clean to dark. What's our new word? Darkest. Say darkest. Change dark to loud. What's our new word? Loudest. Say loudest. Change loud to high. What's our new word? Highest. Say highest. Change high to great. What's our new word? Greatest. Just like you guys, you're the greatest students ever. Oh my gosh, Franny, you are so right. They are the best students ever. Now we are going to add a syllable to a word. I'm going to start with the first syllable. We're going to add a second syllable. When I go like this, say what our new word is. Ready? Say clean. Add ing. Cleaning. Say dust. Add ing. Dusting. Say mow. Add ing. Mowing. Say cook. Add ing. Cooking. Say laugh. Add ing. Laughing. Great job adding an end syllable to another syllable to change the word. Now we are going to delete or take away the syllable. We're going to start with a word, take away the end part, and say what's left. You ready? Say meeting. Say it without ing. What's left? Meet. Say talking. Say it without ing. What's left? Talk. Say walking. Say it without ing. What's left? Walk. Say thinking. Say it without ing. What's left? Think. Great job deleting or taking away a syllable and saying the word part that's left. For our last activity, we are going to count words and sentences. Franny, I think, is going to come help us with us. I sure am. Oh, good. I'm going to say a sentence. We'll repeat it together and put a finger in the air for each word we hear in the sentence. Are you ready? I think I am smart. Say it with me and put a finger in the air for each word you hear. I think I am smart. How many words is that, everybody? 5. Yes, 5 words in that sentence. Here's another one. That man was nice. Say it with me and put a finger in the air for each word you hear. That man was nice. How many words is that, everybody? 4. Yes, 4 words in that sentence. Let's try one more. I like to read in bed. Say it with me and put a finger in the air for each word you hear. I like to read in bed. How many words is that? 6 words. We needed 2 hands. You're right. We did need 2 hands. That's all we have for today, everybody. Thanks for joining in and can't wait to see you all again next time. Goodbye,